Menteri Katanat Information and Public Relation Balak Men Rumbui ulapan bana baka Jylla Meghalaya kan pynlong ya ka Shillong Film Festival hakasin ka nyngkong nadu ka arpusan hadu arpunyo trek Lber has State Convention Center ya ka ban pynlong da ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR. Kani ka de jing sedang jogalinti na marsibun ki kan sahaban bod hadin kani ong ubalak men habakran shakilat patai kubor hag kat pratrek Lber haba pun pawe ka jingwan ya shimbenta jiginong shna plim na kaleng kathan shatay la mingi kumju ki we ki Jylla kumju na shabar jungari ula ong baka ni katamasa katmu ban pen iya ka culture ka Meghalaya ka jinglong jingman ki jaka ki paitanan ki jaka jungo kai bat kaban plelat iki samla try Jylla bakin yo jinghikai ling bakin noshna plim ki banabari Upen tip ru bakin dan ki workshop ha kabaya day bat ki rukom shna plim bat ban le editing kata kaban nyai ringkat bat ka jingpen iya ki plim Ubalak men upen kin mauru baka kasi cinema kelas dang mentala palat subhouse nam ling baka plim lai post im bat ka plim manik raitong house nam kat kendai spa prapo bat ban rap baki nong pen mi plim kasi garo bat ki way pat ki jat kitin ki day hok ban yo ya ka jingkershan Ulak doru halur ka jingyo pediang kusnam badang shen jong upradip kurba ling baka plim haling ka beneng bat ka plim garo ka chanchi soa bala direct da u elva chisa ch marak bat u dipankar das kumjo ka plim chiti bala penmi da ka kong simi khong thiang na luar ki wepat ki plim bala penmi da ki try Jylla ya ki ba on pen I ha ka ni katamasa Hababu ya kani katamasa kum shibenta jong mission jong menteri rangba ban pelilat iki samla ubala kemen ula kintu iki samla bakin wan bat saki bat ban pentbit yala di hak rukam shnaplim bat ula batha ru iki officer ka DIPR bakin pentikna ya ka jingya bet ya rinti kenang ban la ban penlong biang ya ki bakum kini kitamasa hadin habun Shwa kani U Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Mantri ulaong baka ni katamasa plim kabanwan kapen urlong ya kajindawa balas lambha bat kapen iya kajing sedang jong kajing kershan bane jong sorkar ya ki karkhana plim ha Meghalaya
This program, I just want to briefly about the initiative of the government of Meghalaya, with the support of the government of India, that this year the government of Meghalaya through the IPR will formally held the Shillong Film Festival on the 25th till 27th of March 2026. As the Commission Secretary mentioned, that this is the path breaking because many things have to follow after this. In this festival, there are so many components which is there. Number one, we are very happy that there are so many entries from other part of the country, other part of Northeast, and also from other part of the outside the country, which will be screened in that film festival, which will held at the State Convention Center here in Shillong. So the main why the government held this festival. As you know, Meghalaya is blessed with unique culture. We have unique topography, geography, and the tourist spot. All over the landscape of Meghalaya itself is a tourist spot, which will enable the people from all over the country, all over the world to come, and if they have to shoot their film and come, and by coming here, it will enable, it will open the eye of our youth. More importantly, it also help the youth to hone their skill with the help of those international acclaimed film producer or director, as the case may be, and also to promote our state. And as you know that the filmmaking in the state of Meghalaya is not very recent. In fact, 30, 40 years, more than 40 years back, there is one first Khasi film which is being shoot, I think, Lighthouse Imma. And then after that, then we have a color film by the name of Manik Raitong, somewhere in 1983-84, if I remember correctly. So, and after that, there are so many budding artists and so many budding producer and so many director who come and venture into this. And now in the state of Meghalaya, if you see, there are many producer or many director, many film from different part of the state in different languages. And I also am very happy that during these 3 days, 25th to 27, there will be days where we will keep a training, or we will try to keep the training to the budding producer or director, the process of filmmaking and what it is there, so that we will empower them. As I said, this is the first stage. And number 3, during the course of the film, there are so many things which we have to do. And so that's why I feel that since it is the first Shillong International Film Festival, which we organized by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations Government of Meghalaya, it is my duty and to formally announce to the people of the state and the people of the country that on 25th till 27, there will be a film festival in the Shillong to be held at the Shillong Convention Center here in Shillong. So I welcome each and every, especially youth, come to witness and more importantly to familiarize with them with the process of filmmaking, process of editing, and so on and so forth. And as you know, that our Honorable Chief Minister have a vision to give the opportunity to each and every youth of the state depending on their skills. This is a part of the mission, how to keep an opportunity to the youth of the state. So that's why we are here today. And in this part of the, I took this opportunity also to congratulate many of our producer and director. As you know that recently that Halang Kabeneng Pradip Kurba won the awards, and also the Chanchi Swa produced by Elva Chira Sisangma and Dip Nakartas. They have won also the award. And there will be a screening also of the Kachiti by Kong Sibi Kong Thiang. And as I said before, there will be a film from outside the country also. So that's why we formally announce. So once again, I invite everybody to be part of this film festival, and I request the officers and staff of the DIPR and the organizer to see that this festival, though it is the first time to be organized by DIPR, to see that everything runs smoothly for the success of this film, because once it is success, it will empower us to do more in the years to come. Outside, there is a team to train them in this team for the 1 day will be dedicated to them to familiarize with them with this filmmaking. A team is there. Expecting the people from the ministry also will come to join us here, and also the DIPR will try to arrange many things, but it is also depends on whether they are free or not. But we'll try to do that. As I said before, this is the first time that we are the DIPR is holding this festival, so we will see that the maximum possible thing we will do to the best of this. That is the Meghalaya Film Festival. This is the Shillong International Film Festival.
But will there be any continuity, because
No, this will be a continuity. That's why we told the first. I mean, when we told first, that means there will be a continuity.
Festival. This film festival has been a long pending demand in our state, but finally under the leadership of Honorable Minister, we are now able to do this, and with the support of Government of India, also in the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister. So this is a I think path-breaking for us, and then this will continue. This is going to be the first film festival, and 2 international films are also part of this, and we are going to continue, and then we are going to increase this. So this is basically a starting line where we are going to enter into, government is going to now enter into the gap that is existing in the films, in the film industry. So film industry in our state has not been picking up because of various issues. So now the government is taking keen interest in this. So this is one of the initiatives under the IPR department.